In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix controller not working Steam Desktop. If your controller isn't responding properly in Steam Desktop, the most common fix is turning on Steam Input. This feature helps Steam recognize and translate different controller types so your games can work more reliably. Start by opening Steam and going into Settings. You can usually find this through the gear icon or from the top left menu. Once you're there, select the Controller tab. In this section, turn on support for the type of controller you're using, whether that's Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or a generic controller. After enabling the correct option, close the menu, restart your PC, and then reopen Steam. This gives Steam a fresh start with the new controller settings applied. If your controller still isn't showing up, the next thing to check is the hardware connection. For a wired controller, unplug the USB cable and connect it to a different USB port on your computer. It's also a good idea to avoid USB hubs, since they can sometimes interfere with detection. If you're using a wireless controller, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in Windows settings and confirm that the controller is properly paired. To test whether your computer can actually see the controller, press the Windows key and R at the same time, type Joy, CPL, and press Enter. If your controller appears in that window and the buttons respond on screen, that means Windows is detecting it correctly. If the problem only happens in one game, open your Steam library, right-click that game, select Properties, and go to the Controller tab. Find the override setting and change it to Enable Steam Input. This can solve issues where one title ignores your global controller settings. Finally, if Steam still can't communicate with your controller, fully close Steam, then right-click the Steam Desktop shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. That can help resolve permission-related issues in Windows.